What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do some curry chicken wing with white rice, and I'm gonna fry it a little batcha. Okay, so this are all of the seasoning that I use: my onion, my carrots, my Irish potato, my sweet pepper, my scallion, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use some complete season, black pepper, allspice, we call it pimento seed, little onion powder, and the most important thing, the curry powder. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to start seasoning my chicken wing now. So I just use a little bit of pimento seed, then call it allspice. I use little black pepper, complete season, onion powder, I'm still going to use my onion alone, I use the powder guys. Alright, so now I'm going to put in the scallion, Scotch bonnet, and garlic. Okay, sweet pepper, onion, I'm going to mix in that to see if you want more season. Alright, so the season look alright. So now I'm going to put the curry powder. Then I'm going to put in the carrot and the Irish now, because I don't want it to cook out, because I'm going to fry up the curry. So I just put in the curry powder. I'm stirring it to see. I don't want it too yellow, I don't want it white. Okay, this is going to take a little bit more. Okay, so see guys, that's my curry right there. So I'm going to put on the curry now, make it set a little, and then I'm going to season up the meat now when I'm going to fry. Alright guys, so we do the little fried chicken wing. I use complete. And you can put too much season on it, and then it will go salt. So I use a little bit of black pepper. And guys, this is my way how me want to do it. Everybody cook there something different. This is how I do in mine. Onion powder. Okay, so I'm stirring that. See, so you can see little season honey. Alright. So guys, how me I gonna do it now? It's a 1 egg. I'm gonna mix in the egg with it. So I'm gonna mix in the egg with it. See it, look guys. Then I'm gonna show you now what all I put in the flour, what I'm gonna use to fry it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use little flour. I'm gonna flour it. So I just need a little bit of flour because I know I only 3 wings. I'm gonna split it, and then I'm gonna use some cornmeal. And guys, trust me, you're gonna see the prettiness where it come out with, like how you see me do it. So you use a little bit of caramel. And then I'm not gonna put no seasoning in it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these 2 pepper to fry in the oil so that we come out hot, nice and ready. So guys, stay tuned and you will see when I put them in the pot. So guys, my oil I get hot for the curry. I'm just gonna put in a little curry in the oil, make it fry. You know, so that's how we do it. It has to fry. So I beat a little curry. Curry I fry up that I oil over there, so me will for the chicken. Come and put in the pepper in it to fry. Alright. So guys, put my chicken in the pot now to fry. So in the pot I fry. And then this is my curry. I just cover it up and make it go on. Fry up liquid, you know that's how we cook curry. We can't just cook curry so. You can put curry in a pot and throw water upon you. We run your belly and make your shit till a week. So, to go and simmer. Now I'm going to put on the rice pot. You know you can't cook the curry without the rice. Yes guys, so my curry will fry up while the chicken over here. So, the chicken there right there to fry. And the rice at the pan fire. Guys, the white rice simple. We just use little tip of salt. Me tip in little tip of cooking oil because I like butter. And little scallion. So I just boil up. When I boil up, I wash my rice, put in my rice. So see there guys, I turn the chicken and the next side I got fry now. So just turn on the fire and make them go and soak. You see me? Okay guys, as you can see my curry done fry up the pan fire maybe around 10 minutes or more. So what I'm going to do now make sure I throw the season them and tip in a little tip of water. I'm going to put in my carrot and my Irish there. I'm just going to put in my onion, my scallion, my sweet pepper, my garlic and my scotch bonnet pepper and my fermented seed. Yes guys, so as you can see, me throw in my onion and my seasoning them. So I'm going to tip a little water in the pot and I'm going to cover the pot for about 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to throw in my carrot and my Irish and then make it just go and simmer down. Okay, make sure you say curry cook good enough guys, because the curry don't cook good, then you're going to use the bathroom. Just do what I say. And this is chicken on the next side. The chicken soon finished guys. I just want to soak some more, but the chicken soon finished. Yes guys, so putting a little bit of water in my pot. And guys, then curry over here, I like, you know, I like my Jamaica curry. But thank God for we have still can eat some curry. So I'm going to throw in the carrot. My Irish potato. And then I'm going to just stir that. So guys, there you have it. My fried chicken wing. And I just serve it with some salad, that's lettuce and tomato right there. So guys, my curry is still on the fire, so I show you the finishing touch when the curry is finished. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and tell a friend about Vibes with Jenny. And guys, as I also said, I'm gonna have a competition coming up very soon. I'm gonna do a giveaway in April, the first week of April. I'm going to give a giveaway. I'm going to give away some credit guys. So once you watch all my videos, then you're gonna see the instruction to enter in my competition. Okay guys, so guys, I just tip a little tip of dressing on it. So guys, yung curry a boil, a bubble. Isn't that looking lovely guys? I wish you could have smelly. I wish you could smell it. Ooh. Okay guys, so here is the finishing touch of my curry chicken wing with white rice and some lettuce and a piece of tomato. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new, and remember to tell a friend about Vibes with Jenny. So until next time guys, peace out. Also leave a comment to let me know. See, rich and nice. So until next time guys, peace out.